Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to hide profile picture on Facebook. So let's get started. First thing first, go to your Facebook app on your mobile device and log into your Facebook account using your email or phone and password if you are not already logged in. Once you are logged in, tap on your profile picture option available in the top left corner. You can see your profile icon available there and go to your profile. Then simply select your profile picture and tap on the three dot option available in the top right corner. After you tap on the three dot, tap on the edit privacy option available there. Now inside edit privacy, choose only me option there. Once you click on the only me, your profile picture will be hidden in public and it will only be shown to you. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.